Today is our day 5. I welcome all of you to this day of the program New Year, New You. It's the last day. Today we are going to deep dive into processes. Today I'm going to teach you some tools, techniques, processes that will set you forward so that every single day you will create the kind of success you desire, the kind of manifestation that you desire, the kind of progress that you desire with so much of positivity and power that nothing can stop you. Always remember, it's not the end, it's actually the beginning. It's actually the beginning of your journey forward to go ahead every single day with positivity, with motivation, with drive, with dreams, with so much of power, so much of potential that every single day you will create success, manifestation, transformation, growth and magic wherever you go. Whatever you touch, you will create success. Wherever you go, you will create success. Whatever you manifest, you will create magic. No blockages, no pressure, no limitations can stop you. You have the power to create the transformation, the success, the growth that you desire this year. 1 year from now, I want to see each one of you with many success stories, so many manifestation stories, so many success experiences, so that this year would be the year of transformation, growth and success. Yes or yes?